Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Here's meet your unbelievable opening world. Today we're gonna have a tape for part 2 of we are going to Makati Medical Center to see COVID patients. Say hi to the vlog.
We are.
Just good. Please subscribe my channel and join me in Patreon and link my bell button, and then if you like new videos every day, just go to patreon.com/meetyourunbelievableopeningworld and go right below and everything. And what is your topic, what we're gonna do today, and I will line you to good. Just good. Thank you. Let's have a vlog
Ano
from
mo, ito gawin mo, ha? Ang sabi ni tita, tita Wet mo. Tingnan mo
Welcome to
yung,
the park.
aralin mo na yung binigay na yung mga question and answer. Puro wag ka rin mag-ano ng
Hello,
yes,
you
wag
are
na
good.
laging no. Ha? Tingnan mo yung
Hindi mo
mga,
sasagutan lang.
we are going
sasagutan natin
over
yun
there.
doon. Kaya titingnan mo yung mga
Okay.
sasagutan. Magbasa ka ng sasagutan habang nandun tayo. Tingnan mo, dito, ganito, ganyan. Wag, ang sasagutan natin, tayo naman mag-fill up nun eh. Laging no. No, kasi kami dalawa magkasabay. Ngayon, pagka nandun daw, wag sabihin mo, nagpunta kasi yung pinsang ko rito. Pakisigurado lang po yung specimen na kukunin para raw po hindi pabalik-balik. Mahirap daw po
Bakit?
kasi. Di ba nangyari kay Awi? Nasaktan 2 beses. Hindi raw pala na kompleto. Para sigurado raw po, baka pwede. Pag papatis kayo? Ha? Okay. Para raw po isang masakit lang talagang
Please subscribe my channel and go to part 3 of this one when we go to MMC.